Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon.
I have done exercise 4.1A full part, sir. Sir, I have done full part.
Sir, I
In
have
the
done
class.
3.2A.
Yes, question A, exercise 4.4, question A, we have done till the third part. Now you all will do fourth, fifth, and sixth part. Start doing all the three questions.
Sir, I have done 4th, 5th, and 6th. All, sir, I have done all
Very
parts.
good, beta. Very good, Aditya. Just wait for some time then. All of you start doing the fourth, fifth, and sixth
Sir, can
part
I
of
send
the.
answer of these in chat box?
Yes, yes. You can send your answers in the chat box. Start doing and keep your videos on, everyone. Then Shuman, Shaurya, and Apurva, Naman, Ashvik Agarwal, Samriddhi has turned on the video. Aditya Kumar, Ashvik Agarwal, Utsav Gangwar, Vansh Sharma, Gunagya, Mudit Mishra, please start your videos. Shaurya and Apurva, Naman,
Sir, I have done.
Sir, I have sent the answer in chat box.
Sir, I have done.
very good. Beta, Jashan Singh, stop singing these songs. Jashan Singh.
Sir, have you got my answers, Aditya Kumar?
Yes, yes, beta. Aditya, I have seen your answer.
Sir, please check my answers.
Just wait. All of you, are you all doing?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay.
Sir, is my answer correct or?
Wait, Aditya, just wait for some time. We will check all the answers together. You can send all the answers together in one message. Question number 4, 5, and 6. Send the answers of these questions in one single message. I'm waiting for your answers.
Sir, I have sent all the answer in one message.
Very good, beta. Samriddha, I've seen your answer. Samriddha has sent. Varun Goyal has sent. Aditya Kumar has also sent all the answers.
Sir, is my all answers are correct?
Beta, we will just check all the answers. Yes, Varun, your all the answers are correct. Aditya Kumar, your all answers are correct. Aditya and Varun.
Okay,
Samriddha,
sir.
check. Samriddha, you check your fourth one. Just check the. Is there a mistake in the in typing or something? Check the fourth one. I think there is some typing mistake or something.
Okay, sir.
Usman Gangwar has also sent all the answers. Naman has sent. Naman, which question's answer is this? Naman? Samrid, you sorry, not Samrid. Varun Goyal. Varun Goyal. Check
Yes,
your
sir.
fourth one. Check your fourth one again.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. In chat box, I have written incorrect. I am sending the correct answer.
Okay. Samar, where are your answers? Samar,
Sir, please
Kushagra.
check. Sir,
Kushagra,
please check.
Kushagra, you are not sending the answer. Kushagra and Samar. बेटा आंसर सेंड करिए दोनों बच्चे.
Okay, sir.
Samar
Sir,
and
please
Kushagra, you are
check
not
my
doing the
answer.
question. Samar क्या कर रहे हो Samar?
He was not answering. Sir, he was in the Sangeeta ma'am's period. Sir, in Sangeeta ma'am's period, ma'am said that you are playing games, and she removed him. And in SST period also, ma'am has removed. Kamini ma'am has removed. Yes,
He was
sir.
not. He was not responding to his SST period and computer period.
No, sir, no computer period, no, sir, science period.
Science
Sir,
period.
science period.
Science
Science
period.
was playing video games, and
Hmm.
Sangeeta ma'am removed him, and in his 50 class he was not responding, so Kamini ma'am removed him.
In maths class also he is doing the same thing. I think he's playing a video game. He's not doing
Yes,
the
sir.
questions.
Sir, and sir, his camera is on. I think that he is listening all the things but not replying.
Samar, are you listening? Samar, reply. Samar, your mic is on. Sorry, off. Your mic is off, but your mic is connected. Your audio is connected. That means you are listening. Samar, stop playing video game.
Sir, you can call his parents. Yes, sir.
I will talk.
Sir, he is making different faces.
Okay, leave him. Noel Sahai.
Sir,
Have
please check my answer. I have sent it. Yes, sir.
Noel Sahai, have you done all the parts?
Sir, I have sent it. Your answers, please check. Sir, I have sent it my all answers. Sir, please check my. Sir, I have sent it fourth answer again. Sir, please check. Sir, please tell.
Okay.
Sir, please check. I have sent it fourth answer
I'm
again.
writing all the answers. You all will check your answers. I'm writing all the
Okay, sir.
answers.
Okay, sir.
Check all your answers.
Sir, I have sent it my answers, sir. Please check and tell me, sir, they are correct or not.
I'm writing all the answers. You all check your answers. So fourth part, the answer is 458,812. That means 4,58,812.
Sir, my answer is correct. At that time, I have written
Sir, my answer is also
but my answer is correct.
357,186. That means 3,57,186. Fifth part. And last part,
Sir, correct.
43569. 43,569.
Sir, it is not. No. Sir, it is 46. My answer is correct.
43,500.
My answer is correct.
Yes, 43.
Sir, but sir, can you tell me
I'm doing it here. There is some confusion in the sixth one. No problem. 98,400. But बहुत ज़्यादा time लगाया आप लोगों ने इतने से questions करने में. So many times I had to call you and ask you to send your answers, and then you send. Everyone, I'm talking about everyone, not only of Iram. Iram, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about everyone. Everyone has sent the answers very late.
I have sent it very fastly, sir.
मतलब just leaving a few
Sir,
students.
I have
3 students sent the answers very quickly. That was Aditya Kumar, Varun Goyal, and Samridh Srivastava. These 3 sent the answers very quickly. So, Samar, which game are you playing? Can you tell me which video game are you playing, Samar? I also want to play that game, Samar.
Sir, Samar is not replying only.
He's busy in playing some very important intense game.
I think he do not playing because when we playing it switch off your camera. Sir, it is automatically switch off camera. अपने आप हो जाता है.
No problem. So,
Sir, you can call his parents.
okay, I will do.
And
Don't worry.
then he
Don't
will
worry,
attend
beta. Don't worry.
classes.
I will do whatever is required. I will do. Okay. 9 minus 3, 6. 13 minus 8 is 5. 7 minus 4, 3. 9 minus 5, 4. 43,569 answer. Sixth one.
Sir, I have got my answer, sir. My mistake is that I have minus 8 minus 4, it is 4, but sir, I have to minus, sir, 7 minus 4.
चलिए, let's move on to the next question.
Sir, can I?
Question B.
Sir, can I read?
चलो, Iram, read the question.
Yeah, read. Sir,
Iram,
may I?
Iram, can you read?
Okay, sir. First question. Write the number which is 5,389 less than 67,351.
Can you explain the question,
Sir, may I
Iram?
tell you? Okay, sir. Sir, we have to write that number that is less than 67. That is less than 5,389.
Less than 5,389 less than 67,351. Okay, let me explain this question in a simple manner. Let's take some easy example. Same type of question. I will take an easy example of this. Okay. If I ask you which number is 7 less than 10, what will be your answer? Which number is 7 less than 10? 10
Sir, 3.
is 3. 10 जो नंबर है उससे 7 छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? 3. 10 minus 7 करके निकाल लेंगे. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So same thing we have to do here also. Here only difference is that the numbers are large numbers. मैंने छोटे छोटे नंबर लिए, आपको कितनी जल्दी समझ में आ गया. But concept will remain the same. The only difference is that the numbers are large numbers. Okay, so that means we have to subtract the two numbers. 67,351
Sir, may I tell you an
minus.
interesting fact?
Yes, please.
But we don't need to write any. But we don't need to write any.
Sorry.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Varin,
I was telling that sir, there are some fungus that create zombies and control their minds.
there are some fungus that create.
Sir, that create pupil
Zombies.
zombies and control. Yes, sir, and control their mind.
Control their mind.
Yes, sir. Sir, in today's GK period, I have also told.
Acha. Very good.
Yes.
Sir, in first question we have to write any statement.
Yes, beta. Yes,
Give me-
first we will write the answer, find the difference, and then I will tell you the statement of this.
Can I tell one very, sir,
Interesting.
can I tell?
Yes.
Interesting.
Yes.
Sir, the fact is like a shock that the first orange that come, it is not orange, it is green color. Yes, sir, I know.
What?
Sir, but how? Sir, the first orange that comes, it is in green color, not in orange color. Yes,
Acha.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I know, sir. But I want to ask something. That's how they become orange in color. They were so green in earlier.
बेटा ये तो साइंस के टीचर बताएंगे आपको. साइंस टीचर कैन टेल आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, in first one we have to not write any statement on first one, like sir, we write that is made by
Aditya, I will write the statement. Don't worry. First, let me do subtraction. All of you, please see this. We perform subtraction. 14 minus 8 is 6. Now 12 minus 3 is 9. 6 minus 5 is 1. So 61,962. Now the statement will be 61,962 is 5,389 less than. This is the statement. बाद में आएगा statement. Is 5,389 less than 67,351. Okay, this is the statement.
Sir,
So
I
this
want to
is your
ask something.
answer. Wait a minute, beta. Yes, tell me, what do you want to ask?
Sir, I want to ask that you have to write the source statement after the answer.
Yes. So 61,962 is 5,389 less than 67,351. Okay, let us start doing second part of the question.
That second part is
Second
the
question.
easiest question. Is the
Easiest
easiest.
question in the whole chapter. है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Easiest question in whole chapter.
Okay, predecessor.
Sir, I have done it also. Sir, answer is 43,749
Very
is
good.
the predecessor. 43,749.
Very good.
Sir,
चलिए, do it in your copies.
43,749. So 43,749 is the predecessor of 43,750.
Very good. Do it in your copies, all of you.
I have done also. Sir, I have also done.
Sir, I have also done.
Very good, all of you, those who have done.
So now only 10 minutes are left. When also statements, we have to make statements. Third.
Okay, I'm writing the answer of second one. No, you all have done.
Sir, I have done 3 parts. Sir,
The
43,000.
of 43,000. Sorry.
Sir, 43,750.
The of 43,750 is
Sir, is
43,749. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Third one.
Can you tell me
And-
one? I have one query about this.
Yes,
Math
please.
test.
Yes.
Sir, we have a math subject, but in all subjects we have theory, but in math we have only the numbers to add subtract. Why?
Yes.
Sir, why?
Why?
Sir, why? Yes, sir.
No, you don't have only numbers in maths. You have lot of other things also. You are small.
Yes, sir.
You are a
And
small
then-
kid of class 5. So when you come in higher classes, you will see that not only numbers, variables, alphabets, everything will be there. Geometry will be there.
Yes, sir, there are
So a
many,
lot of
many
other things
things.
are also things
Yes.
are there in maths.
Geometry, data. Sir, data.
Data
Sir,
handling is there.
many
Statistics is there. Chalo, Anshuman, can you read the third question?
Yes, sir. Sir, may I read? There were.
Anshuman,
There
Anshuman.
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
read the third question, beta.
Okay, sir. There were 54,750 pairs in the box. If 31,276 were fake, how many were real?
हाँ,
Sir, can I tell the answer?
explain first.
Sir, can we do this question ourselves?
Can I tell?
You will do yourself. Anshuman will explain the question first. Anshuman, explain the question. What to do in the
Sir,
question?
this question means that 54,750 pairs were in a box.
हाँ,
Sir, and 31,276 were fake
fake.
pairs.
Fake का मतलब क्या होता है? Fake means duplicate, नकली.
नकली.
हाँ,
Sir, it is not real.
Ma'am, copy.
हाँ.
Sir, copy. Sir, copy thing
Copy, yes.
of a real thing. Copy.
Copied thing, yes.
How many are real?
Out of these, how many are real? ये हमको बताना है. So,
Sir, may I tell? Sir, I am doing the question.
So total number of pearls are there in a box. They are given. Total number of pearls कितनी है given है आपको. Out of these, some are fake. Fake मतलब duplicate. कितनी असली हैं, real हैं, ये आपको बतानी है. So if we subtract the fake number of pearls from total number of pearls, we will get the real number of pearls. Okay, the real ones. So that means we will do subtraction. All of you write these statements yourself and find the answer. Statements you have to write on your own and find the answer also.
Sir, done. Sir, I have written statements also.
Very good. You
Sir,
can
I
send your
have
answer. Those who have done, they can send their answers in the chat box. Those who have done, they can send their answer in the chat box. Done. All of you. Third one. Yes.
Sir, I'm doing the fourth one.
Sir, done.
So how many exercises are left in this chapter? 4.4, 4.5, 4.5, 4.6. Again,
Sir,
subtraction
4.6
array.
and 4.7.
How many exercises of the same type they have given? Arey, why are they giving so many exercises of the same type again and again?
Yes, sir. Sir, for practice, I think. Yes. Sir, for
4.5,
practice, I think.
4.6. Yes.
Sir, but there are many exercises.
One for large numbers and one for very large numbers. 4.5 is for large numbers and 4.6 is for very large numbers.